Most front windscreens can be removed by one man. Here we show how it's done the Wibotec way, and these are the tools you need: the long flexible wire starter prong, a roll of square-shaped metal wire, 2 hand grips for the wire, and a dashboard protection board. The wire is measured, allowing about a half a metre extra at each end. The ends of the wire are bent into a U shape, fixed into the starter prong, and pushed through the adhesive from the inside. The end can then easily fit into the starter prong and be pulled through at the bottom, and afterwards also at the top. The wire can be pulled through in the same way. The ends are clipped off, and the wire is inserted into the wire hand grips, as you can see here. The hand grips are placed on the windscreen so that they can be reached from the opposite side, and the dashboard protection board is placed inside. The wire is now on the inside of the windscreen from top to bottom, and now you stand on the other side, reach across and take the 2 hand grips, and slowly ease the wire through the adhesive with a sawing motion. Continue until you reach the corner. You place the wire round the corner and you pull gently down the edge of the windscreen. Again, when you've almost reached the bottom, you place the wire round the corner and complete the final piece. Then the wire is pulled to the opposite side, and the same procedure is carried out here. Wire round the corner and then gently down the edge. The windscreen has now been cut free and can be removed. Now we will show you the same operation on a Jaguar. The wire is pushed through the adhesive from the inside, both at the bottom and then the top. The starter prong pulls the wire through, and then after being clipped to size, the wire is threaded into the hand grips, and then the dashboard protection board is put into place, and the wire is easily pulled through the adhesive with the same sawing motion. When you reach the corner, place the wire round the corner and pull down the edge of the windscreen until one side is completed. With this particular model, you need to raise the bonnet of the car to complete the operation. The wire needs to be transferred to the other side so that the same procedure can be carried out, as you can see here. Round the corner, then down the edge until the whole operation is completed. And the windscreen can be removed. Now here's our new piece of equipment, the little helper, which makes it easy for one man to fit windscreens onto cars and vans. It consists of 2 parts, one for the side and the other for the front. The part for the side window is put into place by the following method. You measure from the edge of the roof and place your finger at the bottom edge of the suction cup. It is the diameter of the suction cup that you measure from. You place the suction cup on the side window. The center for the swing arm is by your finger, and the suction cup is slightly behind and is attached in the following way. Still a little behind, and the swing arm can freely swing round the edge. The part for the windscreen is fitted in the following way. The arm has a red marking on it, which is placed at the top of the windscreen. You mark the end of the arm with your finger, and then you move the arm to your finger on the edge of the windscreen, stopping when you reach the Wibotec sign. You attach the suction cup in the same way, and then you attach double suction cups to the far side of the windscreen. The end of the arm with the hole is placed over the swing arm with the point and is slotted into place. You are now ready to fit the windscreen. You can now go to the other side of the vehicle with the windscreen without any problems. You must be certain that the windscreen fits exactly into place on your side by easing the windscreen into place. Then go to the other side. Gently loosen the suction cup on the side window and slowly sink the windscreen into place. The suction cup can then be removed. For vehicles with triangular-shaped windows, you need a slightly different method. Position the suction cup where there is place. Make sure that the swing arm can freely swing round to the front. You can now measure from the center of the swing arm to the top of the roof. In this case, it was 45 centimeters, and this is measured out on the windscreen. And again, the end of the Wibotec sign is placed at the same height, 45 centimeters. The arm is attached in place, and with the same method as before, the windscreen can now be fitted. This is a Mercedes Sprinter. Make sure that it fits on your own side first, lowering it slowly into place. Then go to the other side and loosen the suction cup, and fit this side into place as well.